If you're looking for something you can grow this summer, rest of your garden's petered out, and you said, I want to grow something. Let me tell you something, folks. Okra, you can grow okra. I planted this maybe a month ago, maybe a little more than that. It is going to be 140 today. It was 104 yesterday. It was 102 the day before that, and 100 the day before that. And for the next week, it's going to be 100 and plus every day. And I just want to ask you, does that okra look like it's irritated at the weather? It does not. That okra is cranking. It won't be long. I'm looking every day. It won't be long before I start having some blooms and some okra. This is jambalaya, which makes real quickly. It usually starts producing okra when it's like 18 inches tall or so, and this is well over that. So I suspect it's going to be pretty soon. I didn't fertilize it when I planted it because I was told by some research not to. I think I need to now because it is going to start blooming and producing. But there's a bug. I don't know what the heck. That's a squash bug. Dadgummit. Well, you ain't going to get no squash off this. But anyway. If you're looking for something to plant, you know, it's almost too hot to get out there and do anything. If you're in the South right now, I mean, all over the South right now, but it's okra does well. Okra does really, really well. This is a 2 foot wide, 8 foot long Vegega raised bed, metal raised bed. Love these little things. I told my wife this morning if I ever got away from the earth boxes, I would go with the Vegega raised beds because they're just, it's like supposedly be a 25 year product, powder coated, just really, really well done. All I did was dump some, I didn't even put dirt in it. I dumped some wood chips that I had composting. I usually keep just a bunch. There's one pile, another big pile. I usually keep wood chips composting at all time. I got a neighbor that's got a tree service, and he brings me some, and I try to keep it going and turn them often enough to get them to compost down pretty quick. The middle pile I just showed you is getting pretty close. But all I did was just dump some of that in here. I filled it up with that. I approached it with my tractor from the side here because I didn't want to get on. I'd already laid down my stuff and I didn't want to get on it. So I just dumped it in there and everything worked out great. That one and that one. Now this one's full of zinnias that are starting to show their age. Man, just 2 or 3 days ago they were beautiful. But this heat's getting to the zinnias a little bit. And these are some crawling or walking or jogging onions from Lazy Dog, and so they're doing pretty good. I don't know when they're going to start jogging. It's too hot to jog right now, so I assume they're going to wait till fall. But anyway, but just want to show you if you're looking for something to plant, easy care to plant in the summertime that is not going to mind this dadgum heat. This is it. This is it. It's doing well. Now, you know, again, I don't see any okra yet, but I bet you it's coming pretty doggone quick. And I saw a wasp fly up in here a while ago. I don't want to dig around in there too much and make him mad. But and you know, think about this raised bed. If you're planting something real thick like this, or like I showed you a couple of months ago. A month ago, had right before I planted this, it was full of squash and zucchini, and it just covered it. I mean, in fact, the squash and zucchini had migrated out here. It was flowing way out here and way out here, and what I'm getting at is it blocks the sun. There's very little weeds in there. I can't really see much of anything at all, but it's certainly not going to be of any consequence. I got some nasturtiums that are coming up that were there from the squash and zucchini. Anyway, okra. If you're looking for something that is you can plant right now, I mean 100 dadgum degrees. Right now, it's okra. In fact, okra loves the heat more than it loves the cold. It won't even germinate if it's too dadgum cold. So while I'm out here, I'm going to show you something else. But right now, it's just okra. Plant some okra if you like okra. I'm wanting to pickle. I'm hoping this bed will be enough to get some okra for pickling. I've done a lot of cucumbers and stuff in the past couple of 3 years, and I've got a bunch of cucumbers left from last year and the year before that, I think. But I've never pickled any okra seriously. I've thrown one or two when I had some spare okra. I've thrown some in with pickle jars, but I've never really gotten serious about pickling okra. So I'm going to do that this year if I get some okra off here. If I don't, I'll show you that that's just a dadgum failure, and I lied to you in this video. I don't know, but let me show you my tomatoes real quick. These are all Halcinator. They're all 3 feet tall, close to 4. That one is 4 probably. Well into these 5-foot cages. So I guess it is a 5-foot cage. So it's not 4, it's 3, I guess. That one had something gnawing on it a little bit. The leaves on the top of it are just kind of about halfway gone. So I don't know what's going on there because it's the only one. Huh, kind of strange. And then on the end I've got a sun gold cherry tomato plant that I planted back in March. So it's going to make it till frost if it's taken care of. And I've got shade cloth over everything that's trying to keep everything alive over here as far as the tomatoes and stuff go. But anyway, this year is hot. And last year we hit 100 degrees in August. One time, 100 even, and I think that's the only time we ever hit 100 degrees last year. This year we're going to hit it a dozen or 2 times, looks like. 2011, 82 straight days of 100 or more degrees. 111, I think, was the tops. So this is nothing. You know, we can breeze right through this if you live through 2011. All right, okra, get you some. Get you some. This is jambalaya. Got the link below to Hoss. They sell the jambalaya seeds. All Hoss seeds are excellent, best I've ever found. So if you wanna plant some okra, look at what Hoss has to offer, and use my link below if you will. That'll help me and Hoss out too. All right, I think that's it. Okra, get you some. All right, we're gone.